Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a notebook cover page for art. We'll start by making 3 circles. Here, I'm using a cap. You can use a compass or any other circular object. These are the things you will need. Next, we are going to make chords on the circles. On the left side of circle 1, on the right side of circle 2, and on the left side of circle 3. And then we'll erase the extra lines. After that, we'll outline our shapes with black permanent marker and color them using brush pens. I'm using pastel brush pens to color. You can use any other type of brush pens. Coloring the first one using pink color, the second one using light green, and the third one using light purple. You can use any other color, maybe light blue or light orange, it's totally your choice. Next, we are going to make some dots on the circles to make a spiral binding type of pattern. I'll zoom the camera so that you can have a closer view. Five dots and then curved rainbow shapes from them. Next, we are going to write art, one letter on each notebook in calligraphy. Now we are going to color the doubled portion using a thicker permanent marker so that we can finish it faster. Next, we are going to make a curved line on the circular portion of the notebooks to show that there are pages inside, and some curved lines Next, we are going to color these pages using peach color or light brown. Next, I'm going to make this type of pattern. This is basically that I have drawn tape and then we are going to write notes. So this is basically the place where you're going to write your notes. I'll color the tape with light brown and the paper with light blue. After we are done with this, we are going to make some lines using highlighters and brush pens. 4 yellow lines. Next, we are using light green. 3 light green lines. You can also use highlighters. 3 light pink lines, then 4 purple lines. Next, we are going to make a box type of structure around them. We'll write name on the yellow lines, class on the green lines, section on the pink lines, and roll number on the purple lines. Next, we are going to make the structure to show that it is hanging from somewhere. Thanks for watching.